Alright guys, here's the completed water heater. 50-gallon LP power vent. 3/4 inch copper. Pro press. Pro flow. Expansion tank. I think it's a 4-gallon. Yeah. I was able to squeeze the drain line in the back. I don't know if you could see that. Focus. See that? I got that. Ran it along the floor underneath. I had to raise that baseboard. And then so it goes from there. Okay, I had to do a 45 short piece of pipe. The original one just came straight down, but this is a little different. I always like to line up at least one pipe straight, and then sometimes I can get away with, well, this is a 45 and a street, so I was able to get away with that. Nice. Looks pretty straight, yeah. Anyway, so it comes over here. This was a real pain because I was hitting nails. Oh my God. It almost took longer than the water heater. But anyway, made a good pay for today. Good job for today. Anyway, so then I brought it in and right into the top of that sump pump. And then if they need to service that later, they're going to have to cut all that anyway and put, you know, couplings or Ferncos. So that's it. Peace.